Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho broth, only way. Start by simmering a whole chicken with cold water, charred onion and ginger, and toasted spices. Skim foam regularly and simmer gently for clear flavor. Season with fish sauce and a touch of sugar, then strain and cool. Finish by adjusting salt and aroma before serving with fresh herbs and rice noodles. In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho broth, only way. Char the onion and ginger until nicely browned to give the broth complexity. Toast star anise, cloves, and cinnamon briefly to release oils, then add to the pot. Keep the heat low so the broth stays clear and sweet. Taste as you go and adjust with fish sauce or a little sugar for a balanced bowl. In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho broth, only way. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep broth and leftovers tidy and spill-free, perfect for storing small portions. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho broth, only way. After simmering, remove the chicken and strain the liquid through a fine sieve for a pristine broth. Return the liquid to the pot and taste, adjusting with fish sauce and a small pinch of sugar if needed. Serve hot over rice noodles with herbs, lime, and thinly sliced chicken for a comforting bowl that sings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.